How to build your WhatsApp chatbot, your WhatsApp agent, super fast and with all the necessary explanations. Okay, first of all, we'll need to run N8N in the cloud. It's mandatory, as connecting WhatsApp, Discord, and Telegram requires this type of setup. We can do this by paying $50 a month through N8N. You'll find the link in the description, or we can do it using the following free method. Let's open Visual Studio Code, okay? We run N8N. I'll assume you have it. If not, look up how to get N8N locally. Go to port, forward port, and we'll enter 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Why? Because that's the port shown here. Port 5, 6, 7, 8. The port opens and we'll change the visibility to public, okay? Once we have public visibility, we'll press Ctrl C to close N8N and just view the port. Now we'll copy all this code, okay? We'll paste these hashtags and such, alright? Now we'll simply send them. We'll wait, and we'll see the same thing open on port 5678, but importantly, this link has changed. Let's open it, wait, and note. If we add a webhook node, we'll see HTTP 9 instead of HTTP localhost, which would normally appear. First, we'll add a WhatsApp Business Cloud on messages. This will make it interact with the environment when receiving a message. It's crucial to connect the credentials. For credentials, create a new one and link the client ID and client secret. You'll find these in developers.facebook.com, okay? In the app settings and basic info section. In the third section, first option, put the identifier in the top field, alright? Then enter the client secret or secret key below. This sets up our credential. Once connected, set the trigger to on messages without any issue. We can run this step now to check if it's working, okay? As you can see, it's functioning. Important, head to the panel section, as you'll need to activate the WhatsApp product. I've already activated WhatsApp here, as you can see. Now on the left, go to WhatsApp and API settings to connect future APIs. Now we'll go back to N8N AI agent, which will help us answer the message. The message we'll answer is the one we're going to receive, okay? Since we haven't received it yet, we can't configure it now. We'd add a model, alright? In this case, I'm adding ChatGPT 4.1 mini, okay? You can add whichever you prefer, and then we'll add a simple memory. Here in session key, you can enter any ID you want, okay? That's once it's functional. If not, don't worry about it, okay? Finally, we're going to add another WhatsApp Business Cloud. We'll go here and click Send Message, which will let us send the message. Important, the credentials here are different from those of the initial WhatsApp. This is Business Cloud for responding. We'll find these in the API settings where we need to generate the access ID. It's important to select a recipient number here, okay? Copy the access ID, paste it as the access token. We'll need to update this each time as we're in dev mode. Then there's the Business ID cloud, which stays the same. Got it? Next, grab your WhatsApp business account identifier, place it, save it, and now you can see it's properly connected. We have the test number but no recipient yet. Let's go through this step by step. We'll run this step, filling in the blanks like the message. I'm just making these up. Then we'll simply execute it. Alright, receiver. Alright, let's send a test message to the phone number we've been given, okay? In this case, we'll send hi. As you can see, the message we'll receive will be hi. We've received it here. Now we go to the AI agent and the user message prompt will be the received message, in this case body, okay? Perfect. We can also run this node from here. We get an error related to memory. For memory, just click define below and enter 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? It doesn't matter what you put here. Finally, let's go to send message, okay? In recipient phone number, go to receiver, connect from, remove the 123A, and put the AI output in text body, okay? Let's execute this step, okay? Now the whole chain works, and we have the response. Hello, how can I assist you today? It's that simple. I hope this is useful for you.